Hello and good day to all friends. This is Mojtaba Rasti. I'm here from the Thales group, and today is December 9th, 2025, bringing you an update. This is regarding the weekly analysis that was done on Sunday, December 7th for the end of week expiration. That is, for December 12th, there is an update. Let's get started. We actually reviewed the period from December 7th to December 12th. Today, we're going to look at the trades from after December 12th, which weren't considered in that previous analysis. Basically, we're going to examine the absence of those trades in the market. From the 8th and 9th up to now, the trades that have entered the market, we're going to get straight to the point. On the process database from December up to now, for the contracts expiring at the end of December 12th, you can see the large trades over 50 Bitcoin. There have been 31 trades over 50 Bitcoin since December, as you can see. The overall trend of the chart is downward. We're currently in a range. In fact, you can see the selling of puts and calls to the downside. A lot of calls have been sold. In all these areas, you can see the power is in call selling. The curve starts from around 97. Now, if we want to zoom in, you can see that from around 97, it has gone into loss, meaning from around 97 was the peak, and its maximum profit was here, between 95 and 96. And after that, it went into loss. So actually, up until 12, December 97 to 98,000 could be our ceiling, and its average based on gamma is around 97. Yeah, let's see. Let me turn on the gamma. Its gamma's on. At 92, it drops to 6,396,400, and we have a downward long gamma, meaning the ticker is at 8,000, 6,000, or 8,007. We basically have a long gamma, which is important. It shows that a put has been bought. If the 9,000 support can't hold, we're heading for 86,000 or 87,000. So in fact, there's probably a ceiling around 97 to 98,000. We'll actually see this until Friday. Okay, let's move the slider forward a bit. Look, towards the recent situation, it's still bearish and the downward trend is even intensifying. I mean, if you look at the recent trades, the trades in the last hour, not these. Since this morning until now, December has had a long gamma at 88. There's a long gamma at 88 for December 12th, the end of the week. Now, if we consider it, we've reached the delta peak at 96. Here too, we have a gamma short. 98 is the average sale price of the calls. So we can expect a ceiling around that level again for the end of the week, and then a move towards 87 or 88. Let's move on to trades and strategies. All right, right here we have a strategy, this one, a very interesting spread, a 150 Bitcoin bullish spread that we've now reached. Its profit peak is at 94,200, which is anything above that point. It doesn't really matter. That's the maximum profit for this trader. We've reached the peak profit for this trader. Around 94 was the expectation until December 12th, which has now been realized. We have this one. Do we have any other strategies here? Look, this one and this one form a risk reversal. It's a put risk reversal. And again, look, 88's the target, below 88. Now, where have we reached? 95 is the break-even point, the point where losses start. This trader doesn't want anything above 95, so we're heading toward 88 or 87 by the end of the week. And this, yes, two traders taken 200 Bitcoin in risk reversals so far. This one as well, done. 300 Bitcoin. So, with all that we've said, the risk reversal has been taken. Let's move on to number 13, which is a single trade here, and also 14, 15, 16. In all of these, they're all single trades and mostly short calls. Look, mostly short call 96, you see? Mostly short call 96 with a volume of 50 Bitcoin. So if we consider from here, from number 13, look, It's as if up to here, and even this one, it's as if one trader has actually done 350 Bitcoin. They sold the call for the 96 strike, meaning at most up to 96. In their opinion, will go up, but for Friday, that would be the ceiling. Okay, for other strategies, from here we have this one and this one, which again, you see, is a bullish spread. This one is more recent. This bullish spread was taken on December 8th at 6 o'clock. And regarding the ratio, this bullish spread's maximum profit is at 95, a bit higher, $1,000 higher at 95 until Friday. Again, here there aren't any strategies. Here we do have a strategy. Again, it's 100 Bitcoin. This is 100 Bitcoin and 200 Bitcoin short strangle, 200 Bitcoin short strangle with a volatility floor at 87 and a ceiling at 95 and 80.96, meaning from a trading perspective until Friday up to 80. We could also go above 96, but right now we're positioned to the upside. So basically, we're taking it slow. We need to be ready to move toward 87, 86. All right, in the most recent trades, we have this one. And now, today, take a look at this one too. 150 Bitcoin. Actually, it's two separate positions of 75 Bitcoin each. It's a short strangle play. Above 96, below 83. They've set the lower bound pretty low at 83, while right now we're filling the upside. Here, there's a 100 Bitcoin long put at 88. It's a single trade that was entered today at 2 p.m. 100 Bitcoin put buy for 88. And right now, the price, is it moving against this position? And that's interesting. It's why this upward move makes you a bit suspicious. Well, here again, these are two separate trades of 50 Bitcoin each. But if we assume and add them together, actually, one of them bought a call for 92, and right now this trade is in profit. Another one, again, 50 Bitcoin put at 88 was bought, but these aren't strategies, and they've targeted 88 on the downside. So it seems that we're going to have a pause. We're going to have a pause around at most 95 to 96, and by the weekend, a return toward 87 to 88. That might happen, and of course, if it does, it would be within the framework of this trend movement. A normal upward move, basically, meaning we might hit the top of this trend and then come back down. Thanks for your attention. I hope this was helpful, and until the next analysis,